Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jalen Dawes, of course, and this is Jalen Unplugged. Today, we are running very late. Normally, by now, I would have dropped my daughter off, and we would have been in the office because it's about to be 8 o'clock, which means that we're not going to be home to take our entry, at least. Maybe the duration of our trade will play out once we get back home, but we're going to at least have to take entry on the road because it is currently 7:48. I'm not going to get to my daughter's babysitter until at least 8 o'clock. So maybe while we're over there, we'll be able to take entry while we're not moving. But until then, we really don't know. We have two zones marked out. We have a zone marked out for a buy and a zone marked out for a sell. So we're just gonna be waiting to see which one Price wants to interact with today. So until we get there, we really don't know what we're gonna be doing. So I'll see you guys once we get to my daughter's babysitter. Let's go. All right, guys, so we just dropped off Juju. So now we are heading back to the office. It is moving really slow. It hasn't reached to any of my point of interest yet, but right now we are still selling. So I'm gonna assume that we're gonna be taking the buy position unless we get some real heavy buyers out of nowhere real soon. Then we might be taking a sell. But at this very moment, the market is still shifting to the downside. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna be taking a buy, but the volatility is just really slow. So we're just waiting for volatility to pick up. Hopefully we can make it home before that happens, but we shall see. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, we are about to go walk Zion, but I had to jump on a computer real quick just to make sure that we were looking at the correct trade to be taking. And honestly, really good setup. It's a really strong 30-minute demand setup that we're looking at, but on every other time frame it don't look necessarily the best, but I think we definitely are trying to take the best trade that we can today, which would be a buy position off of this 30-minute demand. So we are gonna go ahead and walk Zion, and we're gonna watch this from our phone. We should be getting an entry real soon. If we do get an entry, I will update you guys and let you guys know. If we don't get an entry, again, I will update you guys, let you guys know. So let's go walk Zion. Let's go. All right, y'all, it is currently 9:43 and we still have not taken any trades, bro. Like, gold is just moving really slow down to my demand area. It's going there, like it's literally just taking its time, but it's going down. So I'm literally just waiting. I've been waiting for this position pretty much all morning. We started to make a really good effort to get down there at 8 o'clock, but then at 8:05 we just hit some sort of resistance zone and it's been fighting to go down. So like, it's going up slowly, but we have not broken any highs other than on a 5-minute. But like, literally after it broke the high, it dropped back down. We have not done anything yet. We're still waiting. I think what we're gonna do is just go sit outside because we're not really moving yet. Maybe in the next hour or so we should start getting a move to the upside, but we haven't gotten it yet. So let's go ahead and start the rest of our morning and then we'll see what we get. All right, guys, I'm glad I didn't get up from the computer like I was going to. I was just about to get up, and then as soon as I did, gold made a huge move to the upside. So I deleted and started over. And once I deleted everything and started over, I seen that we were coming off of a 1-hour supply zone. We literally went straight up to that supply zone, tapped it, and we started falling since. So literally as soon as we tapped it, just because we didn't tap my demand area and we just kept playing around real close to it, we wanted to touch it but didn't, and then we instantly shot up. Like, it was really baiting people to get in early, but I decided to sit on my hands and wait, and then it ran straight to a supply, tapped it, and then it started dropping. So I got in right on that first drop. So we're literally just waiting to see if now we're gonna get our move. We are floating in profit, but you never know until the trade is over. So that's what we're waiting for now. We're just waiting for this trade to play out, and then we'll be able to go on with our day. But now that we're in the trade, at least, I think I'm gonna go sit outside now. So all we would have to do is just watch it and monitor our risk. So that's gonna be it. Let's go outside. Took a different trade because we lost that one, but we're in profit again, but it's just not dropping. Like, we're just not making that full drop. We keep going down, and then we find some sort of support and we get pushed back up. So hopefully this can deliver the full move. This will be our final trade of the day. We're actually gonna go sit outside now. All right, guys, we are outside now. I am looking at the chart from my phone, and I don't have it pulled up from Top Step, but we are aiming for that demand. Let me make it a little bigger for you guys. So we're aiming for the demand. The black boxes down here is what we're aiming for anybody that doesn't know what a demand is. And we are definitely dropping. So I would love to see the full move delivered on this, and then we'll be done trading for the day. So took a loss on our first position. It just kept going back up, but we found a supply. So now we are targeting the demand right below. And as soon as we get this move, we should be done for the day with trading. I'm completely done with trading after this trade. Whether it makes another move or anything like that, I completely don't care. We're just looking for our move, and then we're gonna be done, because the market is just going in both directions, and we still haven't hit that big demand at the bottom, and we're not making a drop. And we definitely should, since we didn't tap that demand. All right, guys, we're at work. We're on our first break. I didn't get to update you guys like I wanted to. I was rushing to get to work after we were done trading and everything, and we ended up taking an L day today. It could have been avoided if I would have just not taken the trade after the trade I was waiting for left, because we entered a 1 hour supply. So I knew that price was gonna go up and wanna buy up, but I was waiting for a 30-minute supply to be tapped within that 1 hour, but that 30-minute didn't get tapped. It just tapped the 1 hour and then it started flying. So I missed the entry that I wanted. So I mean, that's kind of my fault. I technically didn't take a loss because of my strategy. I took a loss because I wasn't supposed to take a trade, period. The trade I was looking for played out overly. Like, I wanted to buy and we broke through all the supplies. And then I was trying to trade off of a higher time frame supply, and it held for the short time. Like, it's still holding price down currently, but it did end up stopping me out before dropping back down again. So like, it's still like consolidating in that same area. So I wasn't necessarily wrong. I just should not have taken a trade, because the trade that I wanted already played out, and like, it was a big move. So it took a little bit of a mental toll on me, but it is what it is. Last night though, we ended up buying our Rod Wave ticket. So our Rod Wave ticket is secured, and we also bought the Rod Wave vinyl set. So we have two things for Rod Wave coming in very soon. We have the concert coming up in November, and then we have the vinyl that we're supposed to get mailed sometime this month when he drops his album. So now we're gonna go inside. We're gonna go finish our shift. We're gonna have our lunch coming up soon. So I'll see you guys in just a second. All right, y'all, we are on our last break. I am ready to go home. Once we go home, we got a lot of stuff we gotta start doing around the house. So once we go home, it's probably gonna be really, really busy. So I'm probably not gonna pick the camera up. If I do, we're probably only gonna be doing some editing and walking Zion. So I'll see you guys once we get off of work. Let's go. All right, guys, we are out of work. We're heading home, and I am so, whoa, what is that? There's a fire white Supra. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing. Bro, look at it. Look at it. Oh my God, it's a Supra, bro. It's a Supra. I'm so ready to have my day off tomorrow. I am so ready to make all my money back that I lost today. I am so ready to go beat my family some Mario Kart. So let's get to the house, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Let's go. All right, guys, so I just got home. I'm leaning on Blanco right now, and I'm actually gonna have to head back to Boca, because as you guys seen, I bought milk and I had my cup inside of a box, but I decided to try to clean my wife's car out a little bit before I left, and I left the milk and my cup on top of the damn car inside of the box. Did not put the box inside of the car, and I drove off. So I'm pretty sure my cup is demolished, probably all messed up, and I'm sure the milk is probably exploded and gone as well. I mean, I might get lucky, but we're about to go back and see if I can get at least my cup back. But yeah, so great start to the night. Thankfully I'm off tomorrow. I don't have to get up as early to drop my daughter off. It's just more of trading in the morning and everything. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my wife. She's making dinner for the kids, and then we're gonna head back to Boca. So I'll see you guys in a second. I'll let you guys know if we find my stuff or not. We shall see. Bruh, so my cup. My cup. Bruh, my cup. My cup. Oh, well, the milk's broke. At least we got one. Yeah. At least we got one. So we're going home now. All right, guys, we are gonna be ending the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, stay unplugged. Deuces.